Hey, Chef Austin with EverythingKitchens.com. We're going to be unboxing the DeLonghi Multi-Fry Air Fryer and Multi-Cooker. Let's see what's in the box. All right, we've got it all unboxed. Let's see what came inside. So the first thing that I pulled out was this small measuring cup. This is for the oil. This is about how much oil, the maximum that you're going to use with this cool air fryer. So that's nice that they included that. We've also got some literature from them. We've got their extended warranty. We've got some basic common sense warning paper that you might want to read over. We've got the manual, so don't throw this away. This manual has some nice information in it. It doesn't have any recipes in it, but it does tell you proper cooking times for common foods. Like they've got chicken nuggets in here, they've got vegetables, and it's just not how to make chicken nuggets, but if you got frozen chicken nuggets or whatever, how long to properly cook those for and what heat settings. But the coolest thing that they included was this awesome recipe book right here, and it's hardback book right here, and it's got full color recipes in here. So it's full color recipes. These are recipes from scratch that you can make with your DeLonghi Multi-Fry. And there's tons of stuff in here. There's appetizers, there's desserts. So not only does this fry, it looks like it can do a lot of other things other than just like French fries or fried chicken. We're gonna get up close and personal. We're gonna get this on the turntable, and we're gonna give you a 360-degree view. All right, we got them on the turntable now. So in the front here, you can see the user interface. We're going to go through that in just a second. We're going to turn them around. You can kind of see it's got this clear plastic on top. That's nice, so you can see the food as it's cooking in there. You can see the doneness level, and the walls are made of a really nice high-quality plastic in there. The back, basic 3-prong cord, real easy. We've got, let's see what else we got over here. We're back over here. You can kind of see some vents up here. So a lot of ventilation because this will get really hot. It's going to cook really fast. That's what I like about this guy. The buttons right here, we've got an open button. So this is actually going to open our entire unit right here. And we can have access to the inside now. So this big metal piece right here, this is a fan, and that fan is what's going to cook your food extremely fast. There's a heating element in here, and the fan is going to blow that hot air all over your food. The buttons right here, you'll see these are kind of hidden. They say push on them, and when you push them, it releases that lid. So this is great for easy cleanup because the oil will sometimes just splatter on this, but it's super easy to clean. Just pop that right off, and then this will slide right back on here. Here we go. And what else we got in here? So I'm going to take this out. So there is a lever button right here, and this will pop out, and it makes a handle. And you've got your entire frying pan that you fry all the food in right here, and you can see that there is this lever right here, and this will actually rotate. And what this is going to do, that is going to push your food around so you don't have to stir it up while it's cooking. So that's going to ensure even browning and even cooking throughout the entire process. So this also comes out. So if you have a recipe that does not call for it, it pops right out, and then you don't need it at all. So if you're baking a cake, which this can do, you won't need this. But if you're frying French fries, you'll want that guy in there so it's moving your French fries around evenly. And underneath this, I'm going to show you, it's got the heating element coil down there, and that coil will actually heat up, and that's going to cook the bottom of your food. And this coil is actually controlled by a button in the front here. Put this real quick back on. And this button right here turns that heating element on or off. So in the recipe book, it'll say if you need that heating element on or off. There's just a little icon in there. It'll say, hey, turn the heating element on, you'll need this. But if you're just like broiling cheese at the end of your cheeseburger, you can turn that off. It'll just cook from the top. So basic power button right here, on, off, very simple. And over here, we've got the timer. So this is a digital timer. You just set, it works like a timer. You said, I want 30 minutes. It will count down from 30, go down to 0, and it'll start beeping at you. But the cool thing about this is that it just slides out actually. So you can take this with you. If you need to go outside or whatever into another room, you've got your timer with you and it'll start beeping and say, hey, your food's done. And then this will slide back in here and it just lives in its home right there. So pretty simple device, not very complex, not a whole lot of buttons to get confused with. That's what I like about this. One more thing on top that you didn't see here, this yellow switch, this is your temperature gauge. It just goes 1 through 4, 1 being the lowest setting and 4 being the highest setting. And in your cookbook, it'll actually tell you what temperature you need to cook your food at, and it'll say 1 through 4. So that's another nice thing about that cookbook. It's very informative and it tells you exactly how to use this and to get the best results from your food. All right, guys, we're gonna air fry some French fries in the DeLonghi multi-fryer to see how well it compares to traditional deep frying. Okay, so it's been about half an hour and we've got some fresh French fries. So these are beautiful golden brown French fries, super delicious. I'm gonna try one real quick. I'm gonna salt these a little bit real quick. It's really good. You get that crunch that you'd expect with the fried French fry, except these only used a tablespoon of oil. So it's not like weird. It doesn't have any like strange, it doesn't taste like a healthy French fry like diet foods does. It tastes like a real deal French fry. And that's the cool thing about the air fryer is that you don't need a whole vat of oil to get really tasty food that is fried still. So I really like the air fryer. I think it's a great product and I would continue to fry my fries in the air fryer for sure. Guys, if you like this video, give us that like. If you want to see more of these things, please subscribe to us. We'll upload lots of videos and you can see everything that we upload from chef reviews to chef tips. And you can visit us at our website at everythingkitchens.com and you can get your very own air fryer. If you have any questions at all, leave us in the comments below and we will help you out. And if you want to see any other things unboxed, let us know in the comments and we'll unbox it for you so you can see what's in the box.